Hey guys, it's Swarup here from the Novus, and in this video I'm gonna help you to set up your device for C++ programming. So we will need to install two softwares. First is a compiler. I will be using MinGW compiler, and second an IDE. I will use Visual Studio Code. What is a compiler? Compiler is just a software which helps us to run the code. And what is an IDE? IDE means integrated development environment. It's just like a notepad but way more advanced than a notepad. The IDE I'm gonna use throughout this tutorial is Visual Studio Code. And let's begin. How to download Visual Studio Code and MinGW on your device. Whatever your device is, Linux, Mac OS or Windows. I am gonna use Windows. So I want you to open your browser, any browser, and just type in MinGW download. Okay, now I want you to click on the first link here, MinGW Minimalistic GNU for Windows download. So just click here, make sure it is from sourceforge.net. So let's click it and just click here download. As you can see, the file has downloaded, so I will just open it from here and just install. I want you to keep it default unless you know what it is. So just continue and let's wait for this. Instead of waiting, just go back and I want you to type here Visual Studio Code download for Windows or maybe any of the operating system you are using. Yeah, it is here. And click it here. Make sure it is from code.visualstudio.com. And here I am gonna use this because I have Windows 10. And make sure you install the installer, user installer, not system installer or the zipped file. I am gonna click 64-bit because I have 64-bit laptop. You can go with your configuration. Just go and check in your settings how many bit your laptop is or your device is. So I think it's auto downloading. Yeah, it is just downloading. Let's wait over here too. Okay, this process is done, so I will just click continue and wait a minute. Let's extend this a bit. I want you to install everything of this. Just tick mark here by right click, mark for installation. When you are done with this, just click here installation and apply changes. Just click apply and the software is installing too. Now as you can see, my Visual Studio Code has downloaded and I am now installing it. Continue with me, accept the agreement. If you want, you can read this whole agreement, which no one will. Click next. Then I'm just gonna leave it default over here. Then next, and yeah, just next. Create a desktop icon, and if you know what you are doing, you can click here any one of this. If you don't, just leave it default. Next and install. And I will launch it later. I will just click finish for now. Let's take a look at a compiler. Okay, it's still installing, so let's wait for a minute. And now we are on the last step, and I will just click close dialog automatically when activity is completed. And it's done. Now I want you to cross out this, open your my computers or this PC and Windows. You will see this MinGW folder over here in your C drive. Just click on it, click here the first folder, bin, and I want you to click here. This is the path of this bin folder. Just click on that path and you can see this is path. Now I want you to copy this path. Just press Ctrl C on your keyboard. I want you to search environment variable. Okay, just here edit the system environment variables. Click here environment variables. Now here system variables, just click on path and then just click on here new and just paste it, Ctrl V and hit OK, OK and again OK. So we have both our softwares ready, Visual Studio Code and MinGW. So just open up your Visual Studio Code. It's loading guys, just wait a minute. Okay, that's it. And do nothing but click here, these boxes over here. I want you to search here C++. Now look at here, the Microsoft extension available for C++. Just click here and here would be install button. I have already installed in my device, so you will need to install it again. And again I want you to search code runner. Here run C, C++, Java, JS and etc. Click on it, make sure you have all this UI and click here, it would be install button over here. Just click on install and I want you to hit Ctrl N on your keyboard. If you are using Mac, it's Command N. I want you to save it by hitting Ctrl S and save it wherever you want. I will just leave it on my desktop. I will create a new folder. And in that folder I will save this program by the name myfirstprogram.cpp. Now note here, the .cpp extension is mandatory. And don't give any spaces between the program name. Now just to make sure everything is installed correctly, I want you to type along with me. Just type in hash include iostream using namespace standard int main and just type here cout and whatever your name is. And return 0. And when you are done typing this, I want you to save this by hitting Ctrl S or Command S on your keyboard. And here you will see a play button. I want you to hit that play button. And this here is the output window. You can see it's my name over here. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.